Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to find IP address in PC using simple and easy methods, so you can quickly check your network details whenever needed. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Click on the Start button on your desktop and type Settings. Then open the Settings app from the search results. The Settings app allows you to control and view important system and network information on your PC. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet to open your network options. This section shows details about your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and helps you manage your internet settings. Step 3. Select Status from the left panel and then click on Properties under your connected network. The Properties option displays detailed information about your current network connection. Step 4. Scroll down and look for the IPv4 address to see your IP address. This is your computer's local IP address, which is important for troubleshooting network issues or connecting devices on the same network. Method 2. Step 1. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. The Run box is a quick way to open system tools and programs. Step 2. Type CMD in the box and press Enter to open Command Prompt. Command Prompt is a built-in tool that lets you run commands to view system and network information. Step 3. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig and press Enter. This command displays detailed network configuration information for your PC. Step 4. Look for the IPv4 address under your active network connection to find your IP address. This shows the current IP assigned to your computer by your router. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.